Hey y'all, it's Jack, and I am working on a virtual reality vertical slice of an escape room. Last couple of videos I've done, I've shown you guys how I was able to implement teleportation and things like that. Well, today we've added in some hands and some hand interactions. Let me show you guys. Alright, so I'm going to jump into VR. I'm going to hit play on my Unity player here, and we're going to get into it. Alright, so the first video was me setting up the game and importing the escape room. The second video was me actually putting down teleportation markers and doing some left and right movements with my left thumbstick and doing teleportations with my right thumbstick. Then I've also got it where you can teleport into the circle by hovering above the circle, and it'll snap you right into it. So what I worked on today was putting in hands. This is all done today. So it's got, full complete motion like you would normally expect with the Oculus Touch controllers. And then I finally hooked it up where you can start picking up items. This is the first item that I have in this escape room you can actually pick up. And then you can even switch hands. Relatively easy. And earlier today I attempted to throw it and all it did was go straight to the ground. But then I figured out how to do it. We now have it where it tracks. Ooh, that's interesting. Haha, I need to fix that. I fix it where it tracks where it goes so I can throw it. Ah, there it is. So there's a lot that I want to do with this still. So there's a lot I want to do with this still, but right now this is just a tutorial. I'm using their art assets and they're leading me through this tutorial on how to do this escape room. But I was thinking about it. After I'm done here, why can't I make another room and just keep on going? Make it my style and learn how to do my own artwork. So I'm really looking forward to it. There's a lot of great things that I should be able to do here in the future. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. I'm so happy and I'm really happy that I could share this with you. Hey, thanks. We'll see y'all later. Bye.